Hey, I'm staying at the Rydges Darwin Central in Darwin, in Northern Territory, Australia. In this video, I'll show you around the hotel and my room. Rydges Darwin Central Hotel is a 4-star hotel in the Darwin CBD, in Nucky Street, just 1 block from Mitchell Street and 1 block from Smith Street Mall. There is security at the front door. You need to use your card to get in, or ring the bell if you're checking in. Lots of seating in the foyer to wait for your friends, your tour or your Uber. There are self-check-in kiosks here for check-in and check-out. And they sent me SMS text messages to check in before I arrived online too. Let's go find my room. I'm going to level 3. Use the security card to access the lifts. $313 to $321. That is a small sign behind the exit sign. Took me a bit to find it. The middle of the hotel is open space, so you can see through all levels. I'm in room 318. I'm in room 318. Let's have a look around. Let's have a look at the bathroom first. We have a really big mirror here. Hey, hello. Nice big mirror. Of course, we have a vanity and a toilet. There's a nice big shower. Has shampoo, conditioner and body wash. Ta-da! Pretty basic. Out here we have big full-length mirrors, very handy for getting ready. In here we have hanging space for wardrobe, blankets and pillows, and there is a safe. And in that side is an ironing board, an iron. Now, there's plenty of space to put your bags and your suitcase here. We have a desk, TV, and this room has 2 queen twin beds. In here we have a fridge. I've got my couple of drinks in there. In here we have the kettle and glasses. There's a little reading lamp here. Nice big desk and a chair, some drawers. Nice sitting area here. These little chairs and table. There's an interconnecting door there, so if you want to rent out the room next door as well as this one. Nice big beds. I'm travelling solo, so plenty of room for one. And let's go look at the view. It's not that exciting, but let's have a look. Okay, so my view is of the roof, the car park. You can see the Hilton over there, and that's my view. There is a plunge pool on level 1. Let's go have a look at that. Back at the lift foyer, let's have a look again at this central space. Okay, off to the pool. They do call it a plunge pool. This is a small pool for plunging, just enough to cool down in. And the water is very cold in that pool. There are pool towels here, and I did use the space to relax a bit and read a book. It's in a great location. It's right in the middle of the city, right 1 block from Mitchell Street. Got all the shops here you need, supermarkets, got all the bars, the restaurants. Mitchell Street is the tourist street, heart of the city, with bars, nightclubs, shopping, supermarket, chemist, backpackers hostels, and Crocosaurus. It's a easy walk to the waterfront. Actually, the Smith Street Mall is just 1 block that way. Smith Street Mall, great for shopping and cafes. Easy 10-minute walk down to the waterfront. Darwin Waterfront has a beach, pools, restaurants, great place to relax. What a great place to hang out in Darwin. Easy 5-minute walk to Bicentennial Park. Centennial Park. It is peaceful. People are out enjoying the space. Bicentennial Park for walking and relaxing. You've got all the buses here as well if you want to go further. Information Centre is only a couple of minutes away. What else? It's got everything you need here. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet so you can find me again and help my channel grow. Hit that like button. Happy travelling, travel safe and enjoy the journey. Please subscribe for more travel vlogs and travel guides.